Halloween. Learning to use figurative language. Pan. An amusing use of a word or phrase. Simile. Uses the words like or as to compare. Metaphor. A comparison which is not literally true. Hyperbole. Extreme exaggeration to make a point. Pan. He was grinning like a pumpkin. Simile. Keep talking, I'm owl ears. Metaphor. His eyes were flying saucers. Hyperbole. That's the world's best costume. Personification. Giving human qualities to something that isn't human. Alliteration. When two or more words that start with the same sound are used repeatedly. Onomatopoeia. Word that names a sound, but also sounds like that sound. Oxymoron. A phrase made of two or more words that actually have opposite meanings. Oxymoron. The living dead. Onomatopoeia. The owl screeched and the witch cackled. Personification. The wind let out a ghostly howl. Alliteration. A calm and curious cat. Thank you. Now, try writing some of your own.